How to cut the children's skirt pattern. To cut the children's skirt pattern, first off, we have to fold the fabric twice, then cut it according to the pattern. And remember to leave about 2 centimeters free on the sides of the pattern. And now we're just going to cut the bottom side as well. When cutting the pattern, remember not to lift up the fabrics as you cut it. Instead, lay the fabrics on a flat surface and keep the scissor close to the surface so the pattern will not move. Then as you go along, trim the excess fabrics. For the top side, also leave about 2 centimeters free. To get the best result, make sure to cut the pattern symmetrically.